everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. Today we will discuss the design of Mode 3 synchronous down counter. Mode 3 means number of states is equal to 3. There will be 3 states. Let the 3 states here be 1 0, 0 1, 0 0. This is counting downwards. So in each state there are 2 bits. 1, 2, 2 bits. Since there are 2 bits, it means we need 2 flip-flops. 2 flip-flops. So 2 flip-flops are used in implementing Mode 3 synchronous down counter. Here I am using the flip-flops JK flip-flops. First, we have to draw the state diagram. So the state diagram will be like this. From state 1 0, it will go to the state 0 1. From state 0 1, it will go to state 0 0. From 0 0, again it will go to 1 0 and the process repeats. Now we have to write the excitation table for this counter. Before that, we should know the excitation table of a JK flip-flop. This is the excitation table of a JK flip-flop. How to write the excitation table of JK flip-flop? I have done a video. I will put its link in the description box just below this video. So it is by looking at this excitation table that we write the excitation table for the counter. So let us see the excitation, how to write the excitation table for the counter. So this is having 3 sections: present state, next state and inputs. In the present state column, there are 2 outputs, Q1 and Q0. These are the outputs of the 2 flip-flops. Those are in present state. Now this column is the flip-flop outputs in the next state. And these are the inputs. J1, K1, J0, K0 are the flip-flop inputs. Let the first state be 1 0. Let the first state be 1 0. Look at the state diagram. The first state is 1 0. From 1 0, it should go to the state 0 1. So next state, from 1 0, it should go to the next state 0 1. Now when the present state is 0 1, its next state should be 0 0. So write 0 0 here. Now when the present state is 0 0, that is when we are here, its next state is 1 0. So write 1 0 here. Now we have to write the value of these inputs. These are written by looking at the excitation table. So consider flip-flop 1, that is Q1 output, and for Q1 in the present state its value is 1, in the next state its value is 0. So 1 0. For 1 0 combination, see this is a 1 0 combination. What is the input value coming? It is don't care 1. So put don't care 1 here. Next, for the next flip-flop, present state is 0, next state is 1. So for 0 1 combination, the input value is 1 don't care. For the next case, for the present state 0, next state 0, 0 0 combination, the input value is 0 don't care. So put 0 don't care. Next it is 1 0. For combination 1 0, it is don't care 1. Next it is 0 1. For 0 1, it is 1 don't care. 1 don't care. And next it is 0 0. For 0 0, it is 0 don't care. 0 don't care. So this is the excitation table for the down counter that we are designing. Now we have to write the Carnot map so that we will get the expressions for each of these inputs, J1, K1, J0, K0, etc. So let us see the Carnot map. This is a Carnot map and we have to find expressions for J1, K1, J0, K0. We have to look at this excitation table and then fill the Carnot map. For J1, for the state 0, 0. 0, 0 means this is a portion Q1, this is Q0. So when the combination 0, 0 comes, this is the column. So in this column you have to put 1. 1. Next for 0, 1. This is 0, 1. For 0, 1 you have to put 0. 0. Next is 1, 0. For 1, 0 don't care. So 1, 0 is coming here, put don't care. Next 1, 1 condition is not there, so put don't care. Now we have to group this. So grouping this, we can write this equation as J1 is equal to Q0 bar. So this is the expression for J1. Now let us write the expression for K1. For K1, looking at this we have to fill. So for condition 0, 0 for K1 it is don't care. So put don't care here. For 0, 1 it is don't care. So don't care here. 1, 0 it is 1. So 1 and 1, 1 condition is not there, so put don't care. Now we can group this as like this. So the equation for K1 is equal to 1. Next we have to write the equation for J0. For J0, when 0, 0 condition comes, value is 0. 0, 1 it is don't care. 1, 0 it is 1. And when 1, 1 comes it is don't care. So we can group this as like this. So J0 is equal to Q1. This is the expression for J0. Next for K0. For K0, during condition 0, 0, don't care. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, don't care. And 1, 1 condition, don't care. Now we can group this as like this. So K0 is equal to 1. So these are the expressions. By looking at these expressions, we can now draw the circuit diagram. So we have to draw two flip-flops. This is input J0, K0, output Q0 and Q0 bar. This is J1, K1, Q1 and Q1 bar. Now we can draw the connections. Since this is a synchronous counter, we are giving clock signal simultaneously to the both flip-flops. So this is the clock signal. Now looking at the Carnot map, we have to do the connections. At J1, the connection is going from Q0 bar. So Q0 bar is here. From this, connection will go to J1. Next, to K1, 1 is connected. So 1 is connected here. To J0, connection is going from Q1. So from Q1, the connection will go to J0 and then at K0, 1. So 1 is connected here. So this is the circuit diagram of mode 3 synchronous down counter. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.